Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Naveed Aziz from Technology Hub. Welcome to Microsoft Excel course for beginners. This free course starts with the basic of Microsoft Excel and quickly progresses to a more advanced level where even experts will learn something new. I am starting for Microsoft introduction. What is Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. Microsoft Excel provides multiple features, calculation, graph tools, pivot tables, and a macro programming language called Visual Basic. It has been a very widely applied spreadsheet for these platforms. Excel forms part of the Microsoft Office suite of softwares. In this Excel tutorial, you will learn all the tips, tricks, functions, formulas, and shortcuts you need to be an Excel power user. Learn everything you need to know about Excel spreadsheets for a career in data analysis and investment banking. Master keyboard shortcut functions and formulas to save time. This course is designed especially for anyone who works with the Excel models and financial modeling and work through function and formula in natural ways. Start layering if statements, choose functions, conditional formattings, all sort of tools you need to be in a data analysis. Expectation of from this course is complete all the video lectures following along with the instructor show you how to build each formula and function. Try it on your own, work through hands-on practice. This Microsoft Excel course is perfect for beginner, intermediate, and even advanced user. The Excel course starts off with the very basic, but the training quickly advanced, so even power user will learn something new and have a great refresher. Let's start Microsoft Excel course for beginners, and we'll meet you in the next lecture. Starting from layout. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow Facebook and Instagram. Link given in description. Thank you.